hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to add image hover effects in Go High Level. So this is a simple way to make your websites look polished and modern. But before we dive into the video, there's something special that I want to share with you. Now, normally if you go through Go High Level's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link in the description below, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Go High Level Jumpstart, which is going to walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Now, Go High Level offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Go High Level in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Just click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. So first off, log into your Go High Level account and switch to the right sub account where you're working on your website design. Sub accounts are super helpful because they keep your projects organized and focused on each niche. After that, head over to the sites section and you can either start from scratch with a blank template or you can pick one from the ready-made designs. The key is to make sure that you have a live page where you can try out your hover effects. Next, one of the easiest ways to add a hover effect without knowing much about coding is to use ChatGPT to help you. So I found it to be super helpful for creating CSS code. For example, I asked ChatGPT how to add an image hover effect to a Go High Level website, and it gave me a simple, clean code snippet. The code it provided changes the opacity of an image when you hover over it, making it look more dynamic and eye-catching. If writing CSS or HTML feels tricky for you, this is a great shortcut. It saves you time and it still gives you professional looking results. Now, let me show you how to add the hover over effect in the Go High Level website. First, choose the image on your page that you want to enhance. Then look at the right sidebar and click on the advanced section. In this section, you'll see a field called CSS Selector. Copy the custom code from this field and save it somewhere safe as you'll need it later. Next, copy the code from ChatGPT. Go back to Go High Level and click on the custom CSS option at the top. Paste the code from ChatGPT into this section. Inside the ChatGPT code, you'll find a spot where you need to insert the CSS selector code that you saved earlier. Copy the CSS selector code from where you saved it and paste it into the right place. Now, double check the syntax to make sure that everything is correct so the effect works properly. Finally, save the changes and publish them. To see how it looks, click on the preview icon, and when you hover over the image, you should notice the effect in action. Usually the image's opacity will change, giving it a smooth, eye-catching transition. Furthermore, the basic hover effect is a good starting point, but you can try different variations to make it more unique. For example, you can add a slight slide effect or change the color along with adjusting opacity. You can ask ChatGPT to create a more advanced hover code by requesting something like create a hover effect with a slide transition. Now, once you get the code, just add it to your custom CSS. Additionally, when you're using hover effects, think about how they fit into your website's overall look and feel. Make sure that the effect makes your site look better without pulling attention away from your main content. Consistency matters, so if you pick a hover style for one image, try to use similar effects on other parts of your site to keep things looking balanced. Moreover, test your hover effects on different devices and browsers just to make sure that they all work smoothly everywhere. Now, this will help your website look polished and professional no matter how people are viewing it. And so that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to add image hover effects in Go High Level. If you want to try Go High Level, be sure to click the link in the description below. And if you use my affiliate link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you're going to gain access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course where I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those first 30 days. On top of that, you're going to receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates all for free. Just click the link below to get started and to claim your bonuses. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create even more valuable content for you. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.